The Timor Leste Football League, the national football competition that brings together clubs from across the country, was officially launched for the 2025 season on Saturday, May 24th at the Manatutu Municipal Stadium. The league, which replaced the former Superliga Timor Leste in 2015, initially consisted of two main divisions, First Division and Second Division, but expanded in 2019 to include a third division. The opening match of the 2025 season featured two top-tier clubs, SLB Laulara and Karketu Dili FC. After a tight 90-minute contest, Karketu Dili FC emerged victorious with a 1-0 win, earning the first 3 points of the new season. According to official data, a total of 259 players will compete in the 2025 season, representing 10 clubs currently registered under LFA's First Division. Of these players, 215 are nationals, while 44 are foreign players from 6 different countries. The foreign players include 24 from Indonesia, 12 from Ghana, 3 from Japan, 2 each from Cameroon and Ivory Coast, and 1 from Nigeria. Speaking at the opening ceremony, Minister of Youth, Sports, Arts and Culture, Nilo Isaac Sarmiento, reaffirmed the government's commitment to investing in the development of football throughout the country.
Mesmo que a municipal de condições e infraestrutura cidade da própria. Mas não significa reclamar, nem que se tome.
Also present at the event, LFA's President Hipólito Soares expressed his gratitude to the government and the Timor-Leste Football Federation for their support and funding the 2025 league.
Inaugurates ao governo do Estado de Timor Leste. Negeri, ajuda a Tatoli,